Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by recognizing what role the word must play. If you mean purpose, intent, or motion, reach for to plus verb. If you mean benefit, recipient, duration, or reason, pick for plus noun or gerund. Once you've identified the verb that governs the phrase, test both. Say the sentence aloud and listen for natural emphasis. Make sure to note prepositions that follow certain verbs. Some verbs require to infinitives and others prefer for phrases, so you don't default incorrectly. Now refine your choice by examining nuance. For direction, deadlines, or infinitive actions, keep using to. It links verbs and outcomes. For benefits, durations, exchanges, or purposes tied to nouns, use for. You're indicating who gets something or how long something lasts. Once done, compare pairs like stop to plus verb versus stop for plus noun, or prefer to plus verb versus prefer ing with for. Make sure to practice with real sentences, so these patterns become automatic and not just theoretical. To finish, review each sentence aloud and substitute the alternate preposition to hear meaning shifts. That reveals the correct choice. If the phrase answers why someone does something, use to plus verb. If it names who benefits, the reason, or duration, use for. Once done, tidy wording. Sometimes rewriting the sentence removes the need to choose. If you still hit problems, try the troubleshooting trick. Recast the clause into 2 short sentences. Splitting intent and recipient makes the right preposition clear and prevents confusion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.